Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm using the one candlestick strategy to trade the prop firm challenges that I have been showing you guys here on the channel. Now, this is an update for funded trader markets, and I'm going to show you guys how I am using the one candlestick strategy to pass this account challenge. Now, I haven't yet passed the account. I'm still on phase 1, but I am up a percentage that I'm going to show you on the dashboard really soon. But before we get into that, let me show you guys what Funded Trader Markets has to offer. Guys, if you decide to trade with Funded Trader Markets, this is the best decision that you will have made, because all of the people who have used the link in the description to sign up with Funded Trader Markets have given me their feedback as to be a very good prop firm with very good trading conditions, as I'm going to show you guys on the dashboard and on the account metrics. So let's go onto the screen and I'll show you guys how the challenge is going so far and some of the benefits you can take with Funded Trader Markets. Let's get into the video. As you can see, this is the home page for Funded Trader Markets. This is what you see when you go onto their home page. This is a very clean interface. As I showed you guys in the previous video, you can see here, they have all of the layout really precise and easy to navigate. Now, I don't want to go so much into detail of this because you can just go on the website and look at it. But I want us to go through the evaluation types of accounts that Funded Trader Markets offers. And you can see how good it is and how cheap these accounts are. You can pick up an account for just $23. It's the cheapest in the industry. And most of you guys who have picked up an account here, a challenge account, have seen how really good and easy it is to make a purchase and start your challenge. So let's look at the types of accounts they offer. So they offer a one-step evaluation challenge. They have a two-step challenge, which is typical of all prop firms. And then they have the instant funding. Now, when you look at the one-step challenge here, it has two types. It has Nitro and it has Nitro Pro. You can just click here to see the differences. Nitro Pro has $15 as the minimum amount you pay for a 5K one-step challenge for $15. The profit target is 10%, max overall drawdown is 3%, max daily drawdown is 2%. So you have to keep this in mind. And some of you are asking me about the consistency rule. Yes, Funded Trader Markets has a consistency rule, which you have to keep your eyes on. Okay, make sure you look at that on your dashboard. I'll show you that on my dashboard personally so that you can see the consistency rule that I've been able to achieve, and I'll explain more when we get there. So here they have Nitro and Nitro Pro. For Nitro, you can see they also have a consistency score that you need to follow, profit target of 10%, overall drawdown of 6%, and daily drawdown of 4%. Okay, the profit split can go up to 100%. All right, so these are the challenge phases for just a one-step evaluation. So if we go to the two-step evaluation, it is almost the same, but the difference is this one you go through two steps. The first step, the target is 8%, and the second phase, the target is 5%. If you go to the two-step standard, that one, the profit target is 10%, phase 2 is 5%. You can just go onto the website using the link that's in the description so that you can look at this. Always look at whether they have a consistency score or not. Okay, so here you have a consistency score that is required of you. Right now, when you go to instant funding, you also have a profit split up to 80%, maximum overall drawdown of 5%, and then the max daily drawdown of 3%. Also, they have a consistency score. Make sure you look at that in the FAQs here. Okay, you will see more details on that. All right, so right now they are holding a promotion that you can benefit from. As you can see up here, the one-step challenge right now has 60% off, and then the two-step challenge has 50% off, and then the instant funding has 30% off. You can take advantage of this to get yourself a challenge account or get the instant funding account, guys. Make sure you go through the rules. You can see here the leverage is 1 to 100. You can hold over the weekend. I've been holding some of my trades over the weekend. And then news trading is allowed. Swap free, yes. That is true because all the trading that I've done, I've not seen any swap fees being charged to me. I'll show you that in the dashboard in a moment. So guys, let me take you guys onto my dashboard so that you can be able to see what I have been able to do with this strategy, one candlestick strategy, to pass this challenge. I'll show you guys that in a moment. So first guys, as you can see, this is a weekend and the trades are closed. This is FundedTraderMarkets. As you can see at top left corner, FundedTraderMarkets, I'm on phase 1, and you can see I am up about 2,794 US dollars, which is about 5 point something percent. I'll show you that on the dashboard, and I was able to get that after so many losing trades. Let me show you guys that last 30 days. Okay, expand list. Okay, you can see I took so many losses, guys, but I was managing my risk. You can see all of the trade history here. I had a stop loss here. Most of these trades, the profitable ones, I was just scalping them and taking profit as I go. But you can see this period here when I was just getting losses and losses. I was in drawdown, guys. You can see so many losses. I was in drawdown. Okay, but just a few trades were able to bring me back up to break even and then also go into profit. As you can see here on the account history, it's just a few trades that brought me back up into profit. These big wins you can see here, they recovered all of the losses. I had a 2,800 trade, a win here on AUDCHF. I actually shared this trade with the VIP members. If you want to be part of that, you can contact me via WhatsApp, and then we can see how you can make your payments to join. It's just $35 a month. And also you can see here I had this win of $700. I had $984. I had 483, 659. So those big wins were able to bring me back from drawdown, and then I went up into profit. So that is the history. That's the trading history you can see. And then let me just collapse the list here. Then we go to my dashboard. This is my dashboard here. Okay, you can see this is the same account number, which you can see right here where it's demo. It's the same account here. Okay, so I can go now to metrics and I show you guys. You can see here the consistency is 100% out of the 50% which was required. I was required to just make a 50% consistency on this challenge, but already I am at 100% out of 50 consistency. And then the equity here, you can see it's the same one, and the account is growing. Let me show you the curve. You can see the curve was really going down. You can see I was taking really huge losses. I came to very huge drawdown. My lowest equity was around 46,900. You can see that was really low. I'd lost quite a bit. I was just getting losses and small wins, losses and small wins. But I capitalized on those good setups that I was able to hold, and then the trades that I took brought me back up into profit. Now, I was using strictly the one candlestick strategy trading this. That's why I told you that the one candlestick strategy is not 100% accurate, that will give you 100% accuracy. But if you're managing your risk, you may take some losses, but when you get the wins, your wins will always recover your losses. That is, if you're always taking at least a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, or trailing your stops into profit. That is a technique that you can add into your trade management to maximize profit. Trail your stop into profit until you're stopped out. All right. So that is it about the account metrics. You can see that. Let me show you here. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me just expand the list again. So FundedTraderMarkets does not charge swap. You can see here in the swap column here, there is 0, 0. There is no swap that was charged to me on all the trades. However big the lot size I used was, you can see that there was no swap fees. It is only commission that is charged. Okay, and you can see that the volume I was trading was quite consistent. That is why I have a 100% consistency achieved. You can see I have 2 lots, 1.5 lots, 1 lot, 2 lots. I am mostly trading 1 lot like that. Okay, my lot size is consistent. That is helping me with the consistency rule. Now, before I go, let me just show you guys what I am using to trade the one candlestick strategy. I developed an indicator that shows me the box which I use to get entries, okay? The weekly zone and the daily zone. Let me show you guys that in a moment without them making the video way too long, okay? So guys, basically I have been using this indicator that I programmed. You can see it has the zones. This blue box here represents the weekly zone, okay? The weekly tradable zone of the one candlestick strategy. Now, this is exactly what I have been showing you guys on the channel, all right? If you've been following, this is exactly how I developed this indicator to draw the zones, the tradable zones between the high and the close of a bearish candle. That is what it's doing here, and also at the low and the close of a bullish candle. This is the indicator. So what I do every week, I just come here because I'll be looking for swing trades. I come here and wait for the price to pull into this zone, okay, the blue box, and then I get my entries on the 30 minutes chart, 15 minutes chart for me to get entries. Now I'm showing you this on the BTC chart because this is weekend and it's only BTC which is open right now. So this indicator will not show if the market is closed. It only shows when the market is closed. Like if I go on GBP USD, you will see that it will only show the arrows but it will not show the box, okay? It won't show the box because the market is closed. Basically it won't show the tradable zones, right? So this indicator is so powerful because it removes most of the manual work for you, right? It will draw for you the box automatically, and it will also draw support and resistance. As you can see, this blue line on top is resistance, and then this red line down here is support, right? If you scroll back, you can see that these levels are respected. Let me go to a higher time frame, like a 1 hour chart, so that we can see more levels. This gray one is a monthly resistance, okay? And then this blue one is a weekly resistance. Then this one is a daily one. The arrows are just entry signals for me to enter a trade once the market has pulled into the box. So it is the same thing I have been trading to pass this prop firm challenge, and I'll be continuing to give you updates on how the challenges are going, guys. Please be sure to use the link in the description to sign up with FundedTraderMarkets to benefit from this revolution that they brought in the industry. FundedTraderMarkets is the best prop firm that I am seeing at the best prices. You can be able to afford any of these challenges. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace out.